cook.
Good.
To carve.
Carve.
Carve. To carve. To knead.
Good.
To squeeze.
Good.
To saute.
Good.
To serve. To sift. To knead. To cut. To sprinkle.
Fantastic. And over here we have?
To mix.
Good.
To roast.
To
stir. To steam. To beat.
Good. And here?
To fry. To peel.
Good.
To bake. To pour. To spread.
Good.
To boil. To grate. To chop. To slice. To grill.
Fantastic. Now put it in your notebook and we need to go to the dictionary. Please, we need to look for the cooking verbs in the dictionary. Go to your Google in your cell phone and put to boil in Spanish in your dictionary. Like this. To boil in Spanish. And then you're going to get the definition. And you repeat.
To boil.
Oh, I put the volume on the camera.
To boil.
Repeat.
To boil. To boil.
To boil.
Excellent. To boil.
To boil. To boil. To boil.
And take a picture in your cell phone. Take a picture of this right here. To boil. Next, put image. To boil. To boil. To boil. Repeat.
To boil.
Excellent. That's number one. So let's do number two. Put number one in your cell phone and take a picture. Boil.
Boil.
Next, number three is boil what? What is this?
One. Boil one.
Good. Who? Me, you, he, she. We need a subject. We need a subject. Who boils the water? The doctor boils the water?
The chef.
Okay. In your notebook, put the chef boils the water. We have one example. First example. The chef boils the water. Excellent. Look at the chef boils the water for the pasta. For the pasta. Excellent. The chef boils the water for the pasta. Example number one. That's right. Example number one. The chef boils the water for the pasta. Fantastic. Repeat. Number one.
Chef boils the water of the pasta.
For the pasta. Look. For the pasta. For pasta. For good pasta. For horrible. For excellent pasta. For fantastic pasta. For better pasta. The chef boils the water for pasta.
The chef boils the water for the pasta.
Excellent. Put it in your notebook, please. Put it in your notebook. In your notebook, example number one. Today we need 20 examples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. 25 examples. Next example. Are you ready for the next example, Angel?
Next is to fry, to grate.
To great. Okay, Angel. So in your dictionary, please go and put to great in your dictionary. To great. And take a picture. Screenshot. Take a screenshot. Too great. Repeat.
Too great.
Excellent. So, first step. First, in Google, in Spanish. Number 1. Too great in Spanish. You put too great, and it says right here, look, verb, it's a verb. And look, it tells you right here. Good. So put it in your notebook. That's number 1. Put it in your notebook. Great. Great. That's number 1. Put it in the dictionary. To great in Spanish. Great in Spanish. Okay, great what? What is this, Angel?
The carrot.
Good. Grate the carrot. Put it in Google. Grate the carrot.